Today we will discuss gear train. What is gear train? Firstly, the gear train, it is the combination of gear wheels used to increase or decrease the speed of driven shaft is known as gear train. Basically, with the help of gear train we can increase and decrease the speed of the driven shaft which is provided by the driving shaft. The prime movers like steam or gas turbine run at very high speed. The speed of turbine output is required to be reduced considerably by means of gear train. Such a train is known as reduction train. So, in which we reduce the speed, that is the reduction train. Now the application of gear train where the main concept of gear train is used. Here are some example: wristwatches, clocks, and here we can see this is the interior of the clock, in which we can see how the gear train look. Here this is the simple gear train is here, compound gear train is here. So these are the some basic common example by which we can define, we can give the examples of gear train. Now here are generally main terms that is related to the gear train, that is the velocity ratio. So what is the velocity ratio? The velocity ratio in gears, that is defined as, it is generally denoted by VR, capital VR, that is equal to the speed of the driver, that is divided by speed of driven. So here if we denote the speed of driver by capital N1 and speed of the driven by capital N2, then it becomes the ratio of N1 upon N2. So this is the ratio of N1 upon N2. Here N1, that is the speed of driver, and N2, that is the speed of the driven. And in terms of number of teeth, velocity ratio, this is equal to the product of the number of teeth on driven gears, that is divided by product of number of teeth on driving gear. So if here the product of number of teeth on driven gear, that is T2, and product of number of teeth on driving gear, that is T1, then it becomes equal to T2 upon T1. So here T2 is the product of number of teeth on driven gear, and T1 is product of number of teeth on driving gear. And another term that is related to gear train, that is the train value. Train value basically it is the reciprocal of velocity ratio. So finally if we want to write it, it becomes train value, that is 1 upon VR. So this is the reciprocal of velocity ratio. And now we will discuss about the sense of rotation. Sense of rotation means how driver and driven rotate. If driver and driven rotate in same direction, both driver and driven rotate in same direction, then their motion is taken with same sign. So we take the same sign. Now how? If driver wheel rotating in anti-clockwise direction and driven wheel rotating in anti-clockwise direction also, so then finally we take the positive sign for both driver and driven. If driven wheel rotating clockwise direction, that is the different from driver rotating in anti-clockwise and now driven wheel rotating in clockwise direction, then we take negative sign. So this is the sense of rotation. Now the classification of gear train, generally the gear trains are of 4 types. First one is simple gear train, compound gear train, reverted gear train, and last one is the epicyclic gear train. So today we have learnt about what is gear train, what are the terms that are related to gear trains, velocity ratio, train value, and sense of rotation, and classification of gear train. In our next video we will discuss simple, compound, reverted, epicycle gear train. Subscribe to get more updates and more video on mechanical topics and Universe 22. You may also like its Facebook page www.facebook.com and Universe 22. You may share among your friends and students. You can ask your queries by commenting, give your suggestions if required. Thank you. Have a nice day.